Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the StarTech.com USB-C DisplayPort 1.4 Multiport Adapter. It comes with dual HDMI up to 4K at 60 Hz, another USB-C port, a USB-A port, Gigabit Ethernet, SD card slot 4.0, UHS-II compatible, and a 100-watt compatible PD port, which is where we'll start right here. That is compatible with up to 100 watts power delivery. So you could use a adapter like this from Gigastone that supports up to 65 watts out of this USB-C port right there. That would plug into this port right here and then power all the rest of the ports right here. So here's the SD card slot right there, the 10 gigabit USB-A port. We also have a 10 gigabit USB-C port. It comes with this pigtail cord right here to plug in, so you'll never lose that. We have the Gigabit Ethernet port right there, and the two HDMI DisplayPort compatible 1.4 ports right there. So you can drive two monitors at the same time. This is compatible with Windows machines. We'll show you this document right here, so you can pause this anytime if you need it in the future. All right, and then we'll show you on the other side as well. Has some pertinent information up there. Again, you can pause it anytime, but what it's saying is how much power that the USB-C port can handle and the hertz that the HDMI ports can handle. So that's 60 hertz up to 4K. And this is from StarTech.com, but what's really nice is that this is able to send video out to two screens simultaneously, give you a faster Ethernet port, and be able to read SD cards as well. And this is from StarTech.com, the Display Link Multiport Adapter with DisplayPort compatibility. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.